AnyLogs is a face recognition-based attendance and timesheet logging system that is fast, easy and simple for users. In this video, we'll explain how to download reports in Excel format. One of the critical requirements of any attendance and timesheet management system is the easy availability of reports in spreadsheet formats. Organizations running payroll systems need these timesheets and attendance reports to prepare accurate payroll data. AnyLogs makes downloading Excel reports super simple. Log into AnyLogs and go to the Reports tab. Once here, users can access 12 reports that highlight different metrics. Users can access the muster report to see the overall summary, or daily check-in report for day-wise activity, or corrections report to view all manual corrections and so on. Simply choose a time period, role or group and click Download. You should see an Excel file downloaded onto your local machine. In case you don't see a file downloaded automatically, make sure to check if there are any pop-up blockers running in the background, and disable them if they are on. In case you have any queries regarding reports, please reach out to us at support@anylogs.com. Thank you. Have a nice day.